I've had it. I can't do any more of these. It's just like all the time. AI writer review. I mean, how many of them are there? And I am only joking, because the reason there's so many AI writer softwares popping up all over the place is because it is such a big thing at the moment, and obviously they're all grappling. I don't know why I was going to compare it with e-cigarettes when all the shops open selling e-cigs, but no, they're all grappling for the market and they're all trying to get your business. Now, there's a few that I'm really excited about. I'm not going to mention that in this video because that's not fair, but the one I'm reviewing today is Instacopy, and like all of these things, I can't review every single thing that Instacopy does and go, oh, it works really well. All I can do is give you a general overview of Instacopy. We'll go through some of the features, try and have a think if it does things that others don't do, and then it's really up for you to try it out and check out where it is in the price point as well, because some of these things are expensive monthly subscriptions, some of them are reasonably priced monthly subscriptions, and some of them, like Instacopy at the moment, is a lifetime deal, so you'll pay once and you'll be able to use it forever on a certain package. Do check in the terms and conditions, but have a look at the link in the description and see what the deal is for Instacopy. And here we find out about what Instacopy does. Right, so let's go. Here is Instacopy. When I see these, I always think they look very similar. And I do wonder if these are white labeled, if there's one big company, some massive AI computer out there, and they white label it and license it to other people who then go and sell it as their own. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud. And you can see it does the normal kind of things. You can create blogs, adverts, headlines, ad copy, does all of the stuff. Explain it to a child. So all of them have quirky little unique features. Make content easy reading. What else? Before, after bridge. I don't understand what that means, but maybe you do. Get BAB copies from product companies' descriptions. Get pass copies. I don't know what they mean, but maybe you do, and you go, oh, I needed that. Yeah, and kind of standard things that these do. Right, let's try something new. And I'm going to be a bit... I thought this would be funny. I don't know why, because I'm going to use the content rewrite. All right. So this is where you paste the content in. And what I'm going to do, this is a bit naughty, but I just thought I'd have a laugh. I obviously always write my content for my YouTube video descriptions, but when I was reviewing some other AI software, get your head around this, it was Traft. I used the AI to write the Traft Gumph, and it did help it, and it did make it appear more visible in the searches. So let's copy this out. This is the Traft video review. I'm going to check out Traft's features. Traft is an online scheduling and booking system that was created using ScaleNut, which I actually was very impressed with. I'm not taking sides here. I want you to check them all out and tell me your favourites. That was created using ScaleNut, so let's see if we can generate now. Always takes a bit of time, this AI stuff, but it is working its magic. It's not instant, and it saves you a lot more time than it takes. So it should be rewriting the article now, and then we'll try and compare the two. Still taking a bit of time. Oh, there we go. Right. I'm going to have to bring up, just give me a second. So if you've got a minute, just have a quick read of that. That is the original one that was created using ScaleNut. I'll highlight that. You can pause and give it a read. Okay. Make your own mind up. And this is what's been generated. Is it different? Let's have a look. Oh, yeah, it is different. So with this Traft video review, I'm going to be taking a look at Traft's features and benefits. And in the original one, it says... in this Traft review, I'm going to be checking out Traft's features. You will be able to learn more information about how it works and if it's a suitable choice for your business. By the end of this, you will have a better understanding of what it can do, what limitation and what their limitations there are. In summary, Traft is an online booking scheduling system. It reads well, doesn't it? That can be used by businesses of all sizes. It has a wide range of features and advantages that make it suitable for many different business types. Okay, so I'll just scroll through that so you can pause the video if you want and you can read through that. And if you're not happy with that, you can click generate again and it'll keep on generating until you are happy. So now a few seconds later, we've got the original one there's the original pasted in there. Then we've got the first regeneration, which started off by saying I'm going to be taking a look at Traft's features and benefits. In this video from Traft, I'm checking out Traft's features. Traft is an online booking scheduling system. It has a range of... Yes, so again, you get a few options and you can keep on generating and find one you are happy with. Right, and that is basically it, and that's what it does. I can't really try everything out and go, ooh, that one's good, that one's not so good. Let's jump out and tell you my first impressions of Instacopy. Why that content rewriter could be a very useful tool is because, say you are banging up your content, and then you want to edit that video that I've just done on Traft and you want to make a shorter video and you want to still appear in the search engines, not so much just YouTube, but maybe on Google for your description, because I'm not talking about YouTube videos here. It could be any content or any blog. You don't want it getting flagged up as plagiarism. You've copied it, so it's copyright. It's copy free, but it still has all the keywords so that Google or YouTube or whoever it is likes it and it appears high in the searches. That's basically what it does. And with one click of the button, you can say the same thing, include the same keywords, but create a completely new article. So it's interesting. All right, that is my quick view and review of Instacopy. The main thing to do with these is have a look at the tools they use. There's the big boys. There's Jasper AI. There's Word Hero, there is ScaleNut, and I've reviewed more, but I can't remember. And this is Instacopy. But have a look at the link in description, see the cost of this one, because I think that link is for a lifetime deal. So pay once, it might be your first trip into using AI, and rather than committing to a monthly fee, you might want to just buy one outright, give it a try. And if that's sufficient for you, great. If you need more advanced, you might want to subscribe to another one. Have a look at my ScaleNut videos. I found ScaleNut very interesting as well. And please subscribe to the channel. Hope you find these reviews interesting and useful. That's the plan. I'll see you soon.